device I call Likita. Here is the login to the app. If you attempt to log in when you're not registered, it would say check your username and password. Then you can also try to log in, and if you have a problem and forget it, for example, you can clear that. You can also show evidence, or if you're not sure about the password you're typing, you can actually press that show password and it will show. Clear that. And then, of course, if you don't have an account, you can go in here and try to put in a new account. Let's imagine that's the account you want to put in, and you try to put in less than what it's there before it tells you that the passwords do not match. Then you can actually try to see what the match is. If it does, it will register. So let's use that account to go in to log in. And here you log in, and it should go in. So it takes you to the app. Here's the beginning of it, called the Likita application. And let's imagine you give a number there. Let's just give a bigger number, 10, for example. Patient trial. That's the name. Let's make him female, male rather. Go back to when he was born. Imagine 2nd of February. Born in Lafayette Town. In Logo Village, I hope. Let's imagine the code given at payment was that, and so you then save that person, which has been saved. Remember number 10, you go in here, you put 10 here, and the person you've entered comes up here. Ideally, you can change that. If, for example, you think that your surname changed over time, and it's patient Papa, you can do that, and then you say edit, and then it edits it for you. And here you can add some information. The patient has had tests done, and let's imagine it's only one that came back positive. It's healthy otherwise. No any drugs. Doesn't drink significant amount of alcohol. Not HIV. No hepatitis C rather. Normal blood counts. Normal liver function. Normal ultrasound scan of the liver. First time you save it, and it tells you you have successfully saved. Remember number 10, come on to here, put number 10, and remember him, he has positive and no other significant medical problems, and this is a summary of what you put in here. And then you examine him as a doctor, no signs, okay, normal blood test we said, normal ultrasound scan, and then you may have performed viral load and you found that it's very low, maybe 102, so it qualifies for inactive carrier. Management plan is to monitor and repeat investigations, repeat viral load in 12 months, ultrasound in 6 months. Okay. So Dr. A. Okay, a date of review. Imagine happened. And you go on to save. So you've saved that, number 10. You move on here. Comes, remember, number 10 again. So it brings up this information for you. Remember that this was the information we entered shortly. And it says inactive carrier. It tells you the summary of things that you've entered before. So you can see that. And you've had this management plan. Let's imagine this happened yesterday. You're planning ultrasound scan in 6 months and viral load in 1 year. Prescriptions none for now. Follow plan 6 months on telephone, and then with Dr. A. You come over here and you can say it's saved here. Okay. You can always update a subsequent appointment so that it renews and stores in the same database. To see what you've entered in your management plan, come over here, put 10. And you can see that that is what we captured here. Date here, 9th, ultrasound in 6 months. You hover over it and you can see everything you've entered. Prescriptions known, Dr. A. Okay. If you want to see all the patients you've seen and put in the system, come over here and look at here, number 10 that we just entered. And over here you can actually put everything that captured every summary, including the doctor who saw and the date that this review took place. Okay. Right. You can, for those who want to do research on what has happened, you want to save some of this data or all of it into Excel spreadsheet. First of all, open an Excel. Keep it open. While that is open, just click on Excel, export to Excel, and there you have it. See all of it there. I will minimize this so that you can see it. And you see number 10 that we just entered captures every information there. You can use that for your statistical analysis and whatever manipulations you want to do with it. I hope this was helpful, and you might consider supporting our work. And here, you remember, you can always go back, start all over again. All right. So, in summary, Ligita application can actually help add new patient, update an existing patient, perform clinical interrogations, determine the pathway of treatment to patient. You can see every detail of your patient registered. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.